Today we are going to learn alphabet. This is A for apple. A for ant. A for ambulance. B for bag. B for boss. B for ball. C for cat. C for cycle. C for cookies. D for dolphin. D for doctor. D for dog. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for egg. F for flower. F for frog. F for fox. G for grape. G for giraffe. G for goat. H for horse. H for helicopter. H for hen. I for ink. I for insect. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jeep. J for juice. K for king. K for kangaroo. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lion. L for lamb. M for mouse. M for mango. M for monkey. N for nuts. N for nose. N for 9. O for onion. O for octopus. O for ostrich. P for parrot. P for penguin. P for photo. Q for quail. Q for queen. Q for question mark. R for rocket. R for rabbit. R for rooster. S for sun. S for sleep. S for sunflower. T for tree. T for tiger. T for truck. U for uniform. U for uncle. U for umbrella. V V for violin. V for van. V for vaccine. W for water. W for whale. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for Xerox. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Y for yoga. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for genius. Z for jeep. Thanks for watching.